Hello everyone, you're very welcome to this week's video where I'm going to talk about how to look taller and slimmer using monochrome and tonal outfits. So basically the secret to looking taller and slimmer is to create one long vertical line in your outfit. The longer the line you can create, the more it will draw the eye up and down, giving the illusion that you are taller. And because our eye always processes things in terms of height versus width, if you look taller, you are going to look slimmer as well. It's just an optical illusion. And the way you create your outfits can make those optical illusions work very much in your favor. So I'm going to show you how I create some of these outfits today. But before we begin, if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every week and subscribing will make sure you never miss one. The first outfit is a really basic outfit and it's really just to illustrate this principle. So I'm wearing these white linen pants from And Other Stories with a white tank top also from And Other Stories. And of course that long line of white just makes my silhouette look a lot longer. The colours are all uniform, so I'm not being cut across in any way. There's no horizontal lines being created by differing colours or contrasting colours anywhere in my outfit. So it's all just one long continuous line. I'm just carrying a simple black bag to the side, not to break up the look, and I'm wearing this outfit with my cream pointed toe Vivaya flats. Now these are flat shoes, so I'm not adding anything onto my height, but because they are skin toned, they naturally blend in and make my legs look longer because again my eye is drawn all the way down to the bottom of my outfit with no interruptions. And they are a pointed toe, which again just gives the illusion of length. At that point will again just draw the eye downwards to that natural point in the shoe. The next outfit is one I absolutely love wearing on dates, not just because it's polished and dressy, but because it also makes me look taller and slimmer because I'm using the principles I'm speaking about. So I'm pairing these beautiful indigo jeans from Marks&Spencer. They're just a standard high-waisted straight leg silhouette. So a very classic design and one you can get anywhere in the shops. And I'm pairing it with my beautiful navy silk shirt from Sezane. Now again, the indigo and the navy are two very similar colours, so it's just creating one long continuous line all the way down my silhouette. There's no breakages anywhere, I'm not even wearing a belt. And so that does give me the illusion of looking taller. Because these are dark colours, a darker colour is always going to be more flattering than a lighter colour. So by pairing these darker colours together, I not only look taller, but I look slimmer as well. I'm pairing it with my two-tone pumps from Etsy. These do have a low block heel, it's about 2 inches, so it does add a little bit to my height, but they do have a pointed toe as well, so again they're going to draw the eye all the way down. I finished off the look just with a polished quilted leather bag, because like I say, I've used this outfit on date nights, so I do want this outfit to look very elegant and polished. And adding the quilted leather bag does that. Next outfit uses this beautiful dress from Alohas. Now I've featured this dress often on my channel and the reason I feature it is always the same. It's because it's very flattering on. It's a beautiful ribbed knit dress and the ribbing is in vertical lines all the way down the dress. So again, not only is the dress one uniform block of colour, but those vertical lines also draw the eye in the right direction. The dress is also quite long, so it has a mock neck and it tapers all the way down to below my calf. So it creates this lovely long silhouette which contributes to making me look a bit taller and therefore a bit slimmer as well. It's got 2 slits, one on either side, and again that is very, very flattering. It allows the leg to peek through and by extension it tricks the eye into making my legs look longer. I paired the dress with these lovely strappy sandals from Geiger. I just want to keep the tone of the white going. It's very summery without being too breezy. I live in Ireland and the summers don't always get very hot here. So for me, this is a perfect and practical summer look that will keep me warm even if the day gets a little bit chilly. And I finished off the look with a straw bag because that's very much in keeping with the season. If you're enjoying this video so far, remember to give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel out, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd be so happy to welcome you. The next outfit is using this dress again, and I just want to style it in a slightly different way so you can see how the principles continue to work even when they're tweaked. So instead of a monochrome outfit, I've created a tonal outfit by adding this beautiful beige cashmere sweater over the top of the dress. Now, I do love how the collar and the sleeves just peep out a little bit, and I've done that deliberately. You know, I think making sure each of your layers is visible is a really easy and effective way to add visual interest to your outfits. I've added my Paul Smith black knee-high boots to this look because I wanted to draw the eye to my legs at that point. So as I said previously, the side slits in the dress create an optical illusion that make my legs look a little bit longer. And by adding high contrast, so a black boot against a white dress to that particular area, you're drawing the eye to that point. And so it's just working a little bit more in my favor. To finish off the look, I've added my DKNY quilted leather bag again because I do want that black to match with the boots, and it just helps to make the outfit look a little bit more polished and more cohesive. All black looks are going to be a big trend for this summer, and I've worn one here, and I'm wearing these beautiful viscose pants that I got 2 years ago now. I must check actually where I got them from, but I've loved wearing them. They're a really light, breezy summer pant, and I've added just a simple black t-shirt over the top. This one's from Mango, straightforward crew neck design. And again, the principle here is to create one long black line, which I've done using all black pieces. The pants do have a very thick waistband and a thick elasticated waistband, and that nips my waist in at the middles, and that makes it very flattering to wear by accentuating my waist, which is one of my narrowest points on my body. I've worn my two-tone pumps from Etsy with this look because the cream leather just blends in with my skin tone, and then you've got that black pointed toe cap at the end which draws the eye downward. So it's very effective at lengthening the look of my legs. To keep the look light and casual, I've added this straw bucket bag from French Connection. I got this last year and I think it's such a cute little bag, and I love how that lighter tone just warms up the entire look. And it's such a cute little bag that makes this outfit spring and summer appropriate. That's it for this week. I hope you found that useful. And if you like these types of minimal outfits, then be sure to check out my styling neutrals video, which I'll leave up for you here. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.